Next comes the part of pretexting.
What is pretexting, ma'am?
When we use the term pretexting, it is a form of operation which is used by various individuals in dubious social engineering to create a very presentable scenario of their motives to earn the confidence of unsuspectful users of the internet. Their main intention is to illustrate a scenario and use it to steal someone's personal information. For this reason, this kind of phishing is called pretexting, as they send a textual subject to convince the victim to lucrative offers. These types of attackers pretend that they just need only little bit of information from the victim in order to confirm his or her identity. Among the examples, cyber criminals mostly interpose themselves firstly as professionals who are expert in a certain area of software. However, it is not to be taken for granted. Many are just frauds who just wish to intrude into your personal information. These people works just like cases we often come across news, where certain agencies invite unsuspecting girls to pose for modeling and then use their pictures for wrong purposes. First, they will create fake stories about the personality of the girl and then sell the information to the market. This creates so much embarrassment to unsuspectful girls who has a dream of join a modeling industry but get something in return.
Wow, there is so much crimes in the cyberspace. Is there anything more, Nandita ma'am?
Definitely, Rajesh. Do you know about email spoofing?
What is it, ma'am?